Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection on an old building. This building's well over 100 and some years old, maybe 120, 130 years old. It's way back into Frenchtown of St. Louis, Missouri. And so what's pretty cool, I mean, this is the old Soulard district. If anybody knows where that's at, it's really awesome. But I want to share with you this foundation. And the foundation is actually a stone that they quarried and then they kind of put it in pieces, instead of just raw stone. So this shows that it was an upper building at the time. But I wanted to share with you some of the issues that's happening with this. It's still in great shape. You can see where I kind of patched it together here a little bit here. Where they did, but I wanted to share with you this wall was caving in on them. So what they did is they built a brand new stiff back right here for it. And you can see it goes all the way back over here. And this is all old. This happened a long time ago. The old Merrimack rock. That's how come I know it's old concrete. Still, I mean, the best concrete you can get. But now you can see right here. You can see they cut the floor out to put a brand new footing in here to hold this brand new wall up, which is actually holding 3 stories up above it. So you couldn't just half do it, you had to do it right, and they did it right. Looks really good. You can see where we bolted the old one together, the old wall to the new wall. You can see some of that happening right here. But anyway, I thought I'd share this with you because it's really awesome. We don't see a lot of this old stuff like this as much as we used to, and it just shows that they knew how to do it. This is great. I hope I look this good when I'm over 120 years old. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Have a great day. Hey, pass it on to your friends. Share with them. Hit like and subscribe. And they can get to enjoy these fun videos too. This is a lot of fun. We do a lot of great different shows here. And we've got a podcast out there that you can listen to about the house. A lot of great education. Anyway, folks, thank you and have a great day.